Hello everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. So today I got another Quaintly & Company box that came over from the UK. It is a monthly subscription box, and what I did was I committed to purchasing 3 of these boxes to get a lower price. And I apologize, I forgot to look up what that is. I want to say maybe with shipping it's maybe 81 or something, but do not think that is accurate. But I want to think the box before shipping and everything isn't like in the $60 marks. So here is the box. Now what is interesting is so I committed to buying 3 boxes to get the lower price. Last time I unboxed, I got 2 boxes that came together. So I was really confused. I think they went together, but I don't know that for certain because there was a pamphlet inside one of the boxes that you could see that was the theme of the box, like for the month. But the other box didn't have that. So I didn't know. So now this box shipped. So I went on to like do my cancellation so I didn't get charged again, but I still needed to buy a 3rd box before I could do that. So my 3rd box just got charged and it's headed this way. So I don't know why I got 2 boxes last time, you guys. Maybe when I signed up, I also got a free one. I don't know. But I did cancel this subscription. So we have this box and we have the one coming, and then that will be it for the Quaintly. I have to pick and choose my boxes because I pay out of pocket for all my boxes, and this is just one of those items that the products I wouldn't do anything with them, and the boxes that I do pick and purchase are things that I do myself like. So that's why I picked the boxes I pick. But I wanted to try this box, so I'm glad I did. So I've opened it up. Like I said before, we did get a pamphlet, okay? So Country to Coast is what the theme of this box is for the month. And I'm gonna show you. There you go. Oh, this is interesting. So we got some crisps, Kent crisps, oyster and vinegar, traditional hand-cooked British chips. So when I first saw the chips, that's why I was excited. I saw vinegar and then I saw oyster. I am not an oyster fan. My father loves them. So he is going to love getting these crisps. I can feel they're not all broke up either. So that's going to be a really nice treat that he is going to enjoy. Next. And what's funny is, like when you cancel the box and then you regret it because you get the items. You're like, I love the items. Then you go and you sign back up again. And I hope that doesn't happen here. But so this is lemon and peppermint. It is a foot balm. Handmade in the heart of North Wales, UK. Durnan Win Gifts in EHG Limited. So it's Durman, yeah. Okay. There's a lot of stuff on here, and if I say it, I'm not going to say it right, and it's not going to really represent what it really means. But it's got beeswax, apricot, and other things. So that is cute, and we're going to open it up to actually see what this is. So, okay, that was it. And yes, oh, that smells good. That smells really good. Foot balm. Let's see if it says anything. Just external use. So I guess, well, let me put this back on here. Well, I cut the instructions away. I'm assuming the first word is for external use only, not to be used around. It's a word and then eyes, mucous membranes, or on broken skin. I think I might have cut something off before skin. If irritation occurs, discontinues. It smells really good. So I can see me like getting ready for bed at night. I'm in bed, putting this out, putting on my heels. You know what is really nice about this is your hands don't get all gooked up right before you go to bed. Sometimes lotion on your hands is great, but like foot lotion on your hands, sometimes not so great. So this is awesome because you can apply it right there. Okay, next item. This is interesting. Flawless. Micellar water, aloe and lavender. Okay. This gentle cleansing water contains aloe vera and lavender to soothe and calm skin while removing makeup and impurities. To use, sweep across the face to remove all traces of impurities. Repeat as necessary. That's super cool. So let's open it up. It smells really good. And it's water consistency. It's not that oil. And it smells really good, you guys. Now the question is it too strong of a scent on your face that might cause a headache? We're not gonna know unless we try it. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, we're still going. Oh, this is fun. This is nice. It's got a little crust. Let me flatten it. Purity made at home shepherd's pie recipe seasoning. Create a rich and flavorsome shepherd's pie with heady notes of aromatic garden mint. My husband is going to love this. We're going to do that this weekend. So it says on the back, what you'll need is lamb mint, so ground lamb, 1 onion, 500 grams of lamb mince, 1 onion, 2 carrots, 10 grams of peas, 1 kilogram of mashed potato, 50 grams of grated cheddar cheese, 300 ml of water, and a splash of cooking oil. 10 minutes prep, 40 minutes cook. So I will substitute, what am I going to substitute? A really, really, really good hamburger, beef, ground beef. My husband loves lamb. I just don't. So I'm going to make that this weekend. So that's another great one, you guys. There's still more. Oh, I love coasters. Look, you guys. Look how cute. See what I'm saying? Right when you cancel the box. And one more coming. The last one to me was too touristy. So that's what I didn't like about it. Because I've been to the UK a few times. I just didn't want touristy items. This is what I wanted out of the first box. This is super smooth. I like it. Gosh, I might have to go back on and sign up for another 3 months. All right, what is this now? Joe Thomas Jewelry, a range of jewelry with sand from the shores of the Cornish coastline. So a range of stainless steel resin jewelry using sand from the Cornish coastline. I love that. Too tight there. I think that's super cool. I like that. Like, I don't think that's touristy. I like that a lot. Okay. One more item, and there's something at the bottom too. Let's pull the bottom thing out. Oh, this actually says what's in the box. But look at the pretty. Put that aside. And then the last item. This is really nice. I think it's a picture frame. So let's dig into this. So, I mean, I don't see this as a box that like I want to get value from. You know what I mean? This is a box that you experience, you enjoy, you love. You're not looking for a value. I mean, it's, but you guys, I mean, look what all we got in here. So it's at home in the country, home. Inspired by the British countryside, it's a 3x3 hen frame, plain silver color. Wouldn't this be cool for like a hen party? And you take a picture of all the girls and gentlemen if they join, and put it in here, and with the hen. Wouldn't that be cool? I mean, it's got a hen on it, but you guys, it's very nice quality. It is, look at that. The stand, it's a very, I mean, it's got a nice weight to it. This is a good thickness on the back. It's, I mean, again, it's got a hen on it, but it's an, I think we might call it a rooster. Regardless, this I really, really like. Now, this is not something that would fit in my household. However, my mother is going to be watching this. And Mom, when I come up in a couple weeks, I'm going to be bringing this because I think this fits in your country kitchen. I do. Yeah, it's very, very nice. So I'm going to pay that forward to my mother for her country kitchen. It's impressive, you guys. That is very impressive. I am super happy with the box, you guys. So, you know, what I'm going to do is I am going to see what the next one's like. And then I'll make my decision. You know, I can always sign back up. But let's first talk about what's in the box. So, the bracelet that is went around here in the back. It's exclusive handmade shoreline bracelet. And it says this handcrafted shoreline bracelet captures the spirit of the Cornish coast, designed by artisan Joe Thomas. An exclusive piece for our boxes. They're boxes only. Each bracelet is uniquely made with genuine sand from Cornish beaches, preserving a touch of the ocean's edge, a timeless keepsake. It blends natural beauty with meaningful craftsmanship. Then the at home in the country photo frame, and says this elegant photo frame from At Home in the Country brings a touch of rustic charm to your home, crafted with a British pewter ornamental design. It features a collection of treasured motifs that celebrate country living, a perfect way to showcase your favorite memories while adding timeless countryside style. I wonder if we got a rooster and I wonder if somebody else got a different country animal. That would be interesting. I have to go out and like look for other videos and see. Okay, then we got the aloe and lavender facial cleanser, and it says gentle and effective. This cleanser from Flawless Beauty in Wrexham is designed for daily use. Wrexham, isn't that where the soccer team is? Possibly. For daily use, morning and evening, it lifts away makeup, excess oils, and impurities while caring for the skin, infused with soothing aloe vera and calming lavender. Then we have the Durin Wyn Gifts Welsh Foot Balm. Oh my goodness, okay. Handmade in Devonshire, Wales. I apologize. This highly moisturizing semi-solid balm is ideal for soothing and nourishing dry skin. Scented with refreshing lemon and peppermint essential oils, it leaves the skin feeling revitalized and smooth. Shoreline coasters. These beautifully designed coasters capture the essence of the British shoreline, bringing coastal charm to your home. Practical and stylish, they protect surfaces while celebrating the natural beauty of the seas. Kent Crisps. Inspired by the famous Whitstable oysters. So they're going to have an oyster flavor to them, and my dad will love them. And last but not least, the shepherd's pie recipe seasoning is a family favorite. This delicious seasoning blend creates a family favorite shepherd's pie dish with heady notes of aromatic garden mint. Looking for more product info? Apparently a detailed description list was sent to me via email, so I gotta go check that out. Now I will say, and I'm curious about everybody else, when you make shepherd's pie, do you put seasoning in the mixture? I just do salt and pepper. And then like, I don't do normal veggies in it. I do the veggies that I like and my husband likes. And it kind of like the veggies add the flavor. And we also put tomato in ours. So we don't add mix. So I'm very curious, do you guys add mix? And I know it authentically, it comes with mint, but I never do mint either. So I'm very curious. I'm extremely curious what this is going to be like. So now the booklet, I believe that she does a booklet that is kind of like a description of the areas in which the theme is on. So she says, from us to you, this month we're packing our bags and heading off the beaten path, from rolling green hills to salt-sprayed shores. Country to coast is your passport to some of Britain's most rural and seaside escapes. Inside you will discover stone hamlets tucked amongst wildflower meadows, age-old fishing villages carved into rugged cliffs, and the stories that have shaped them both. We'll take you to craggy coasts in Cornwall, peaceful paths in the Cotswolds, wind-swept beaches in the Northumberland, and everything in between. So she says a little bit more, and then she says, let the journey begin. So she's going to take us on a journey through the coastline. So the time and effort it takes to curate the theme of the box, but then to also put something like this together and publish it, that's a lot, you guys. So again, I want to go back to the value because it's over. She could charge more. I mean, she's doing a lot here. I mean, the pictures, you guys, are beautiful. So this is a nice little booklet to sit down with a nice cup of tea, cup of coffee, get a blanket, and read through. Yeah. This is very nice. All the coastlands. It gives you a lot of places to visit in the future. Because I have not been to the coastline of the UK. And I wouldn't have expected windmills either. So I'm learning something. So here are their social medias. So you can check them out. This was beyond a 10 out of 10, you guys. It really was. So, yeah, love it. So, hope you guys enjoyed another unboxing. Thank you for spending time with me, and hope all's going well with you. We're getting into fall, and the next, we're into Christmas, Thanksgiving, all the other holidays that other people celebrate during the end of the year. So, you guys, thank you again. Bye.